Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. This time we're taking you out to the Downtown Waycross Cruise In. And this is Car Cam. This was a great event, a little bit of a different event. They did it in the evening, which was kind of a bonus, kind of great, because it was starting to cool off from being a hot day. Anyway, lots of different cars out there. I had to go explore some new ground, and it turned out to be a great choice. A lot of cars, a lot of different cars. So we'll definitely go back when we get the opportunity. So we took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
Actually, big hurry, but damn.
It's kind of dead down here.
That may be why they do this when they do it.
Yeah. Well, there's a few people here.
Yep.
Yeah. Where you want to park?
Well, I'm scoping it out now. Thinking I'm gonna end up in there.
Yeah. I'm good with that. There's one going down the street. Must have been unloaded back here, huh?
Yep, one of these two trailers.
Yeah.
Think right up there, wet car.
Yeah, I guess. You ain't nowhere to get up on. Yeah, there is. Okay, there's room to get up on the sidewalk there. And it's a handicap.
Spot. Yeah. You can see a little bit of the street. We know Brunswick's about the same distance from here to the house.
Yeah. It's all interstate.
Yep. Well, mostly.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to go down this street and go straight and then come back around to the light.
All right. Down this street or? Okay. That big blue one?
Yep. You tried to get it when it drove by and you couldn't.
Yeah. They're gonna say a gator stripe truck in Georgia. Oh, I didn't know he lit up.
Yeah. I didn't take pictures of any of these. Might should have took a picture of that one.
What?
The Beamer.
Yeah. Did you get a picture of the race dragger there? Dragster?
I did.
I recognize him for some reason.
Don't look at me.
Yeah. I did a walk around. I did about 6 different walk arounds.
Square body relics.
Yeah. I think we recognize y'all.
Yes, ma'am. How y'all doing?
Good. Too hot.
Yeah, it's our first time getting
Same
Us
here.
too?
bed.
Us too. Yeah, we came down and got all the pictures we wanted.
There you go.
Yep, for the channel. Yeah.
Y'all be careful.
You too. Thank you. See him walking around doing a lot of pictures.
Mm-hmm.
The trendsetter. Yeah. I hear something running. That little white Mustang.
Yep, that little Mach 1.
Yeah.
How are you?
Shit, they had some down here too. Damn.
Are they from Callahan?
Jacksonville, actually, I think.
Damn, then they came further than we did.
I think.
Yeah.
Not 100% sure where they're from.
Yeah.
But they're cruisers just like we are.
There ain't no light here.
No, but it's further down and away from where everybody's trying to get to.
Okay.
That, and this is where I came in at.
Yeah.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video from the Downtown Waycross Cruise In. We thoroughly enjoyed it. It was a great show. And it just happened to be on an evening, which we don't usually have a lot of evening events. So it worked out. And there were a lot of different cars out there. You know, sometimes it's good to go to a different area and check out what they got going on. You see different stuff. So, yeah, we're going to try to plan to get up to more of their events. Just because it was different. And, well, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Every time you like and subscribe, it helps out the channel, and so we can keep on going and keep doing this so you guys can keep watching.